back to my channel and good morning. And now I'm going to the temple, which is quite nearby. As of now I'm staying in Ujre, which is about 9 kilometers from the temple. And because मुझे कल रात को वहाँ पे रूम मिला नहीं था, because वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है अभी, as it's season time. So I'll be having breakfast first, then I'll be going there. And within some time I'll be going there. I'm just confused whether to take my bike, my bullet there, or I go by public transport, because वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है और पार्किंग है वहाँ पे, मगर बोल नहीं सकते आप, भीड़ में आप गाड़ी कहीं पे डालेंगे, स्क्रैच वैच हो सकता है. सो आई एम जस्ट सोच रहा हूँ मैं कि मैं बाइक यहीं पे छोड़ के पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में जाऊँ. सो गाइस, आई हैव जस्ट कम आउट ऑफ द होटल एंड मेरी बाइक यहाँ पे खड़ी है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू लीव इट हियर एंड आई विल बी गोइंग इन पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो दिस इज़ उजरे एंड दिस साइड इज़ धर्मस्थला. दिस इज़ द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ धर्मस्थला. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस हैं, मेडिकल कॉलेजेस एंड इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस एंड मैनी अदर डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस जो कि वर्ल्ड फेमस है. बहुत सारे लोग स्टडीज़ के लिए आते हैं. अभी मुझे किसी ने बताया कि 9 बजे तक दर्शन है और उसके बाद 12 बजे से दर्शन स्टार्ट होते हैं. और अभी मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ जो कि ऊपर है मंदिर, like 9 kilometers from here. उससे पहले मैं I'll have breakfast now. So just having dahi vada. Looks amazing and I think it also tastes very good. Let me try. Amazing, very nice. So after having dahi vada, I'm having this pulao. Even this tastes very good. Finally having chai. So guys, after a long time I'm traveling like this in a bus and I'm feeling so good and the weather is awesome. Guys, here there are many colleges, engineering, medicine and many other like polytechnic, nursing. So there are many colleges here, so many people come here to study. Guys, this is the Netravati river. This area falls in Dakshin Kannada district and in Beltangadi taluk. This is Nanagatta and pilgrims take bath here and this river. So I have reached the temple. This is the way to the temple and this is the bus stand. Looks amazing. And this is the gateway of Dharmasthala. So this is the gateway. This is the temple inside. And this side you go to Hassan, Bangalore, Kukke Subramania. There's also temple. We'll be going there later on. So this side you go to Mangalore, Udupi, Chikmagalur and Hubli. So you go like this and this is the way to Bangalore. So these are all the guest rooms here, which are full. And these are the toy shops, not toy shops, all photos and all. These are all the shops where you get photos and small statues of different gods. So guys, this is the main temple, and this side they go to have lunch. That is called Annapurna Dining Hall. It's written here. So people are going inside to have lunch. This is the main temple, so we're going from here. This is for special darshan, and it costs 200 rupees. Stand in the line. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ inside the temple I cannot record as photography is prohibited. So this is the line for special darshan. Now the crowd is less comparatively, that's what they are saying. Or a lamba line hai, something like Tirupati or Shirdi. So this is the prasad which they give here, and they also give free lunch. So this is the way to prasad, that is the lunch what they give. So this is the place where we have prasadam and the lunch, and it is very tasty, that's what I have heard. So this is the main temple. So to enter from this side, this is the garden. Here you get all photographs and small statues, accessories, ornaments. So guys, मैं होटल रूम पहुंच गया हूँ और बाहर बहुत धूप है. So I'll be taking some rest, and after that मैं बाहर जाने वाला हूँ. I'll be going to Kukke Subramanya. That's a very famous temple. बहुत सारे celebrities वहाँ आते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा famous है वो. So I'll be going there. So I'll take some rest and I'll be going there, and I'll be continuing that in my next vlog. So take care, keep watching, bye.